Hello guys, welcome to all of you. Let us see what is the linearity in a system and how can we use it to solve the problems in our network circuits. So linearity is combination of two properties which is known as additive properties and homogeneity properties. First of all, let us see what is the homogeneity property. According to this property, if we applied current I at the input and this system follow Ohm's law, then output is voltage V. Now if we multiply input by a constant K, then according to homogeneity property, the output will also be multiplied by constant K. So here we can see that input or excitation is multiplied by a constant, then output or response will also be multiplied by same constant. So this is the homogeneity property. So if the system follow the Ohm's law, then voltage can be written as current into resistance. So if we multiply current at input by a constant K, then output will be also multiplied by K. Let us see second property. Here second property is known as additive properties. Additive property says that if I1 current is applied at input and voltage V1 is I1 into R at output, and if we apply I2 current at input, then if we get voltage V2 at output, that is I2 into R, then according to additive property, if we apply I1 plus I2 current at input, the summation of these two inputs, then at the output the response will be equal to V equal to I1 plus I2 into R. Means the effect of both inputs separately at the system will be added when both inputs are added at the input side. So here output will be equal to V1 plus V2. Now if we combine both these properties, then a linear system can be defined as, suppose we have a linear resistive network and x1, x2, x3 and xn, there are multiple inputs applied and a1, a2, a3 are constant multiplied at the input, then response at output y will be linearly related as given here. That will be y1 is equal to a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus a3 x3 plus an xn. As we are dealing here with network circuits, so we can assume that these x1, x2, x3 are inputs may be voltage or currents values of independent sources. Let us see an example so that our concept may become more clear. So here one example is given. This is a linear circuit and this linear circuit contains no independent sources. And here Vs voltage is applied at input and response at output is current I which is passing through this resistance RL. If we apply Vs voltage 5 volt here at input, then current at output is 1 ampere. If we apply Vs is equal to 10 volt here, then from the linearity property of this circuit we can say that this input is get multiplied by 2, as here 5 is multiplied by 2, so Vs is equal to 10 volt, then response will also be multiplied by 2, so here output current I will be also get multiplied by 2 and it will be equal to 2 ampere. If we apply Vs equal to 20 millivolt at input, then here output will also reduce by same proportion as input voltage is reduced. So here I can be find out I equal to 4 milliampere. So we can say that if there is a linear circuit given in the question and response of the circuit has been asked, then we can increase or decrease the output in the same ratio as the input is increasing or decreasing.